Alrighty, today at work we have a 2018 Chevrolet Suburban, and you can see I have the whole front bumper off of this truck because I couldn't get the grill popped out. I didn't want to damage it, so it was just easier to pull the whole front bumper to change the active management grill. So after you get that off, then you can come in here and get all these 10mm headed bolts, and then this will come out, and then you replace it because this one is stuck open. Customer brought their own part. I'm just installing the part, but that's what you have to do to pull the front bumper. You have to pull this cover off up here, and then there's a bunch of 10mm headed bolts, and then there's a bolt that goes up through here. You got to take these out. Then underneath there's a bolt here. This one's already broken. There's another bolt right here, another bolt here. And I thought I had to unplug this, but obviously not. I can plug that back in. Gotta check, make sure that's plugged in. Another bolt here, bolts down here, and more bolts there to get the front bumper off. So if you're doing one of these, I could not get the grill off. It looks like the grill might wrap underneath the front bumper. So we're just putting the Active Grille Shutter in for this customer. All right, everybody, there's a nice quick short one for you. You know, always subscribe down that corner there. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.